There is a component in clove oil that promotes hair growth when you apply it to your hair roots regularly. Clove has the ability to repair, strengthen, and also add some healthy shine to your hair shaft when you apply it to your hair regularly. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your organic clove oil from the scratch. If you don't crave for hair growth, then this video is not for you. If you are here to grow your hair with patience and love, then this is for you. So welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite girl Sylvia Oye, and today is all about clove oil. I'm sure there are 1001 videos here on YouTube talking about the clove water and its benefits, but only few are talking about the oil, and let me show you how to do the oil. So today I've taken it upon myself to show you how to do this clove oil from the scratch. If this is not the first time you're watching my video, then you should know by now that I like extra. So I'm going to add a little twist to the clove oil. We are not just going to do clove oil, we are doing a whole hair growth oil. So I'm adding fenugreek seed to the clove, blend them into paste, and I'm sure you've watched a lot of videos on fenugreek seed also. So this is not the first time, and I'm not here to tell you the benefits. I'm just here to teach you how to do oil out of the two ingredients. Along the way, we are going to be adding another ingredient, but watch to the end and see what we are going to be adding. So in doing this, please use sunflower oil. Don't use coconut oil. Okay, if you have castor oil, you can use castor oil, but don't use coconut oil. The reason being that we are going to put it on fire, we are going to heat it directly. And when you put coconut oil that is not cold pressed on fire, you are just going to kill all the essential ingredients inside, the essential vitamins. So it's better you use sunflower oil or cold pressed coconut oil, or you use olive oil to be fine, or your castor oil. So in this video I'm using only sunflower oil. Feel free and rinse your blender, pour it on it. We are using heat, so the water will eventually evaporate. This process actually took about 1 hour because the oil must turn yellow. You all know that sunflower oil is kind of white. That is one of the reasons why I am using it. So when it turns yellow, I will know that my oil is ready. So we added the next ingredient, which is rosemary, and guys, it smells so good. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment in the comment section. And if you're already a family, welcome back to our channel. It's your favorite girl Sylvia. Please don't forget to like the video, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. So this is our oil ready. Please allow it to cool down before you sieve it. This is a complete hair growth oil. You can decide to add it to your neem oil, and if you haven't seen that video yet, please check my channel. It's there, watch it and do your own neem oil. So this is the under. It smells very good. I felt like eating it virtually. So ladies and gentlemen, I present to you our hair growth oil, clove oil. Apply to your scalp at least 3 times a week for proper results. Until I see you guys in my next video, bye.